In this report layout, I got a single page with these three objects, but in fact I got more objects to put in here. If I go to my objects list over here, you can see I got some unused objects, and if I double click it, I'll add it to my layout. We can see it's something where we got a number of months on the horizontal axis, and actually it's maybe a little bit too big for this portrait mode of my layout. So I'll just remove it from this page, and likewise we got another object here. It's a column chart, and again maybe it's something that is not really suitable for being placed on this portrait mode layout that we got here, so I'll just remove that one as well. What we could do instead is we could go over here on our pages section to add a new page, and when I add a new page I can also go here and change my page settings. And right now let's just introduce a landscape A4 page like this, and this is probably more suitable for adding those two objects. So I'll put in my cross tab here. Still we can see that the months are too many for being displayed properly here, so I want to do some scaling down to 75% like this, and that actually fit in quite nice there. Let's add the column chart in the same way, so that should go below the cross tab and maybe like this. So now we have those two pages, the one with these three objects, and the second page, the landscape format with those two objects. Let's add a text box to this layout, and the text box should contain page numbers. So I'll simply go in here and type in page, and from this button over here I'll insert some dynamic content. And let's go to the system variables option here. That's where you can pick page numbers, so page number of, and again system variables, total number of pages. And when I click OK, we see that we are currently on page 2 here, so we'll just need to put it into a proper place. It could be down here below my margins like this. Also, I think I'll go back to properties and change the font size back to a default font size 9, and also make sure that the text is right aligned. So it goes like that. We need the same text box on the first page, so we'll just go here, but now we just add it as one of the existing objects from the object list, and just make sure that goes into the right place here as well. Now let's print this multi-page report, print it to PDF so we can get a preview. And if we have a look at it as a two-page view here, we can see that the portrait page and the landscape page goes well together like this.